Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we will talk about the XER Operations section. The first function we have is import schedule. Mainly this will export and distribute all the XER tables inside the Excel. Let's try import schedule. Here project Power BI. Let's open. Give it some time till it runs through all the XER file. Imported. As you can see here, this is all the XER tables. Dealing with this file, you have to be careful. You have to know what you edit. The main thing is to keep this table list as it is. Don't remove unless you already remove one of the tables. After you finish, you can easily compile it again from here. Compile XER. Let's save it. Okay. Let's open the B6 now and import this schedule to make sure it works. Import. Update exists, no, create new schedule. And next, finish. Here we go. This is the schedule. Let's close this one now. We don't need any more book 2. Okay. So this section you have to be professional to use it and to know what you're doing inside the XER file. Here, this one will help you to first fix the duration fractions, and I advise to use this only when you finalizing the baseline, not for the update, because if you use it for the update, it could disrupt all the file information and how you updating the file, especially if you're using duration percentage. Let's try. We have here schedule. This one I put some fractions here and some fraction in the relationship. This is already exported. So here I will select fixed duration, select the file. I will select here this Power BI, it fixed schedule. It will run now through the tables and will fix the task duration and the relationship. This is giving you a report. We have fixed 3 tasks and 2 relationship. Okay. Now the file ready to be compiled. And here is your compiled. I will call it Plannex duration. File is ready. Let's import now the file in the B6 next. Now we have to schedule, collapse all, maybe 3 schedule, yes. The latest one, if you check here now, this 63, 66, 52, 77. Let's see the first one. What was the duration? 65.5. This is 1000. Let's check again. The 1000 became 66. What about the duration? The relationship here we have 72 finish to start. Let's open there. 71.6. This is regarding the fixed duration. The next function is the POBs cleaner. And mainly this random file or random data inside the XER could cause invalid import in the B6. Same steps you're going to follow for the POB. Select any file. Let's say this one. Import. And it will run again through all the tables to remove any POBs. Now the file is ready. Let's save it. POBs. File is ready and you can import easily. This is regarding the XER Operations section.